Yes, Sanjin and Youth Man.
121 pound version.
Dr. Urban in the place.
Sanjin, Youth Man, football excursion. Promo. You know how we roll.
I remember media used to hate on him, straight up abominate on him, cause they couldn't take away a poor kid would dominate the field and drop the ball like an A-bomb straight on it. So if you feel like a baller and they tell you that you never will amount to nothing, go tell me bracadabra, make something out of nothing.
Shots on the goalkeeper, this man a fire. Start on the football, hit man fi higher. High kick, high flyer, style and bad fun. And now you play skills for the ticket from Rose go to Paris. We see, can you hear a footballero hiding in them asleep? It's the Swedish bad man, no reaching a Balkan. Sanjin a Youth man, big enough Zlatan. Top shot that was started in the street. Score for 6 different teams in Champions League. Self-made millionaire in the top league. He's the kid with the golden feet.
Control the beat like how Zlatan control the ball. Him had the done overall. Pass it to Sanjin, Sanjin to Youth Man, Youth Man to Zlatan. In the back of the net it gone. Oh, them a go tell me more greatest. When I Ibrahimovic football style, them a the latest. I wanna know about Zlatan, them obviously no wicked. A top shot of that.
Remember the goal he scored for Ajax in 2004. Or the one against England, bicycle kick like taekwondo. Representing for Youth all over the world, no matter where you go. So go and push up on a lighter and get ready for the Ibra show.
Top shot that was started in the street. Score for 6